If you are snoring like this, do this simple tongue exercise and it will help improve your snoring significantly if done effectively. Remember, this should be done every night before you go to bed. First of all, press the tongue on the roof of your mouth like this. Keep it like that for 5 seconds. Relax for 5 seconds. Do this 5 times. The next thing you've got to do is stick out your tongue as wide as you can and keep it for 3 seconds. Relax for 3 seconds. Do this 5 times as well. The last thing you will do is roll your tongue to the side of your mouth like that. Do this every night before you sleep. You usually see results within 2 to 3 weeks. The aim of this exercise is to strengthen your palate and then your tongue muscles so that they do not flap when you sleep.